Hey guys, it's that time month again. LoseCliff.com. Yeah, just got this, as well as this that I ordered. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. Yeah, this is the One Ring from the Lord of the Rings. It has the Elvish writing all around it and on the inside, as you can see. It's pretty cool. It fits perfectly. Now, let's open this. Now, I've already cut the stickers. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh great. This is fantastic. Right, let's have a look. What's this? I got a card. Look. Loot Crate official member. Looter number 65307. That is cool. It's an actual card. Oh, that is great. That is fantastic. Look at that. Oh, man. Look, you got some turtle glasses. Look. Oh. Oh, man. Let's see if I can open these with one hand. Oh, it's very tricky. Bear with me, guys. Sorry about that. Check these out, guys. Look at these. Oh, that is great. That is fantastic. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that is just great. Oh, this is the pop figure they were on about. Oh, check this out. It's Groot. Guardians of the Galaxy pop figure. It's Groot. And look at this. Glow in the dark, Loot Crate exclusive. Look at that, his hand glows in the dark. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, I'm really happy about that. Oh man, that is great. And we have a Mega Man air freshener. Cool. Oh, it smells quite nice actually. That is quite nice. Yeah, that's great. And of course we have the see if I can get this in. There we go, look. I know it's quite dark. There we go. Look at that. There's the Loot Crate badge. Then we have look at this. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Ooze Action Glow in the Dark series. Michelangelo. Oh man. That is great. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh, that is cool. Look, they're the figures you can get. That is great. What's this? Oh, this is a magnet. Wilson's Chimichangas, or Chimichangos, sorry. The breakfast of anti-heroes. Yes, the fridge magnet. Cool. Wow, what the hell is this? What? Check this out, guys. Schwings. They're wings for your blooming, for your shoes. Well, no, these are lightning bolts, but look, they go on your shoes. Oh, that is sick. Oh man, I like that. Look at this. Look. Oh, that is great. Now, let me just alright, this is the exclusive bonus digital loot. 1 is Defense Grid, The Awakening. 2, Doctor Who Legacy, and 3, Gauntlet. Now, I'm not going to show you the back of this because there's some codes on there, so I'm not going to show you the back of that. And then you have the Loot Crate thingy, booklet. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Don't know if you can see it or not. Hang on a sec. Here we go, guys. Look at that. That is great. Look, it's even got 2 holes at the bottom for some reason. They've made it into a turtle home. Into the actual sewers. Oh, that is great. Where are these? Where are these? Bear with me, guys. Hey guys, check this out. Oh, this is great. Look at this. This is fantastic. These are the glasses. Look. That is great. Come on, you must admit that is fucking fantastic. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this Loot Crate unboxing. Maybe this box can be used for the figure. For this figure here. But yeah, it's a fantastic Loot Crate. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, slap that like button, and always subscribe for more videos. See ya.